Begin by making a marinade with common Korean ingredients like soy sauce, red pepper powder, garlic and green onions. Sundubu itself has a very plain taste, but it does a great job of absorbing marinades, so this is going to add flavour to the dish. I'm using 멸치 육수 or anchovy broth. Sundubu is very soft and comes apart easily, so it's difficult to slice. The best way to do it is to slice it in the pot. Broth is made with green onions, radish and shiitake mushrooms. The garlic is stir-fried first to add a rich aroma to the dish. Gukganjang is a Korean soy sauce which is used in soups and namul. It has a really salty flavour. The salty, spicy flavours of the marinade combined with the texture of smooth tofu and the crunch of the pork makes this the perfect dish to spice up a bowl of rice. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.